Installing your new SmartCode deadbolt is simple and easy. Before you start, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and 4 AA batteries. The SmartCode deadbolt box should include the following parts: the exterior keypad, the interior keypad assembly with battery pack, the deadbolt latch and accompanying strike, the mounting plate, the adapter ring, the cylinder with accompanying keys and SmartKey Learn tool, and a variety of bolts and screws. Printed information sheets inside the box include how to bore a hole in an unprepped door, SmartCode deadbolt instruction manual, and the SmartKey rekey instructions. Step 1. Install the latch. The latch has 2 back settings, one for 2 3/8 inch and the other for 2 3/4 inch. To determine which setting to use, measure the distance between the center of the borehole to the door edge. Twist the latch to the shortest setting for 2 3/8 inch and to the longest setting for 2 3/4 inch. To properly position the latch, make sure the word UP printed on the top center of the latch is facing upward, and extend the bolt by rotating the D-shaped crank so the curve is facing up. Attach the latch to the door with the shorter wood screws provided. Step 2. Install the exterior keypad. Place the adapter ring on the door. Route the keypad cable underneath the latch. Place the cylinder inside the keypad, making sure the Kwikset logo faces up. Insert the cylinder torque blade or spindle through the latch by aligning the D shape of the spindle with the latch. Firmly position the exterior keypad onto the door. Step 3. Install the mounting plate. Thread the keypad cable and spindle through the center hole of the mounting plate. Position the mounting plate so it's flush against the door. Slide the cable into the small notch off the center hole. Attach the mounting plate to the door and exterior assembly using the mounting bolts. Step 4. Install the interior assembly. Remove the cover and battery pack from the interior assembly. Align the cable connector with the port of the interior assembly by matching the notch on the connector to the slot on the inside of the interior assembly. Firmly push the connector into the slot. Make sure the wiring harness is clear of pinching and route the wires down as shown, avoiding any excess bulge at the curve. Align the spindle with the turnpiece shaft and push the interior assembly flush against the door. Insert and tighten the small screws to secure the interior assembly onto the mounting plate. Step 5. Handing the deadbolt. This step is crucial for proper operation. Hold down the lock button on the exterior keypad and at the same time insert the battery pack into the interior assembly. Keep holding down the lock button until you hear 2 beeps, which will take approximately 30 seconds. During that time, the SmartCode mechanism will automatically drive the bolt in and out several times to determine proper handing. Step 6. Programming the first user code. Press the program button on the interior assembly once. Enter a 4 to 8 digit code onto the keypad. Press the lock button to save the code. To test, make sure the bolt is extended. If not, lock the deadbolt by pressing the lock button. Then re-enter the code. The deadbolt should unlock retracting the latch. If the deadbolt doesn't unlock, repeat the previous steps. To program a second user code, press the program button on the interior assembly twice. Enter a 4 to 8 digit code, press the lock button to save the code. To test, press the lock button again. Then re-enter the code. Programming instructions can be found under the cover of the interior assembly. Step 7. SmartCode User Selectable Settings. Switch position number 1 controls the status LED and blinks every 5 seconds when in the on position. Green indicates unlock status, orange indicates locked status, and red indicates the battery is low. Switch position number 2 enables the auto lock when in the on position. With auto lock enabled, SmartCode will automatically relock the door 30 seconds after unlocking. Switch position number 3 enables the audio sound when in the on position. When in the off position, the keypad will light red with every button press. Slide the cover back onto the interior assembly and your SmartCode deadbolt is ready to use.